Today we are going to learn about doubles. What are doubles? Can anybody tell me what a double is? Demajre.
Like 5 and 5.
5 and 5. They're alike. Give me another one, Rihanna.
9 plus 9.
9 and 9. They're doubles, right? They're the same thing. So put your hands down for a second. I'm going to show you something. All right, put your elbows on your desk like this. Put your elbows on your desk. Put your thumb pointing up. Okay? Put your other elbow on your desk with your thumb pointing up. What number sentence do you have in front of you?
2 plus 2.
Demajre.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
2.
So 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 thumb plus 1 thumb equals 2 thumbs. All right? Keep your thumbs, keep your arms up. Now, add your index fingers. What number sentence do I have, Raina?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay? Add one more.
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
4 plus 4 equals 8. And?
5 plus 10 equals 10.
Perfect. So what were we just doing? What were those called?
Double.
Doubles. Thank you. All right. So what patterns did you see? We had 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 6, and so on, right? The answers. Did you see any commonalities between the answers? What were they?
Miss H.
Yes.
He said 4 plus 4 equals 6.
Oh, you're right. You caught me.
Ooh.
So what are you seeing up here? Look at the answers. Do you see anything? What do the answers have in common? Rihanna.
You skipped that count by 2.
We skip count by 2. Perfect. So, what are we called these numbers? When you skip count by 2, what are these numbers right here? What's another word for these numbers? They are what numbers? If you skip count by 2, not double numbers, but you're close, starts with an E. Thank you, even numbers. All even numbers are skip count by 2, right? Every time you add a double, you get an even number, right? Think about it. What's 100 plus 100?
200.
200. Is 200 even?
Yes.
Yes. So anytime you add 2 doubles, you get an even number. All right. Share with your friend what you think. So you each have partners across from you. Share with your partner what you think 15 plus 15 is. Now think, 15 is an odd number, right?
Yes.
15 plus 15. Share with your partner. Are you going to have an even number or an odd number? Just share with your partner. 15 plus 15, are you going to have an even or odd number? When you're done, create your little triangle. When you're finished talking to your partner, create your partner triangle. I see one group is done. 2 groups are done. Behind you. If you add 15 and 15, is the number even or odd? Waiting on one more group. Are you guys discussing? Tell your partner. Discuss. Okay, all groups are finished. Rihanna's group. What did Raina say?
30.
That's not what I asked. What am I looking for? 30 is the answer. 15 plus 15. Is the answer going to be even or odd? Sean. Even. Why is it even? Because 15 and 15 were both odd, but it's even. Why? You added what? You added the same number. What's that called? A double. Thank you. So it doesn't matter if the numbers are even or odd. When you add a double, you get an even number, right?
Yes.
Okay. You all have your book in front of you. Let's look at number 1. You have your little tiles. These can help you. Okay? You don't have to draw it on the paper. You can just work it out with your tiles. Look at the first circle. Okay? Take one tile. It doesn't have, you don't have to have a lot, that's fine. It doesn't even have to look like the shape on the paper. Just grab any one tile. Just grab any one tile and put it aside. Put it by itself. How do I complete that group to make it a double? What do you have to do? You have one tile. I'm going to borrow this really fast. I have one tile put on my desk. What do I have to do to complete that group and make it a double? Demajre, put one more up there. I now have a double. Right? I have 1 and 1. So that's a double. Okay? So look at your paper. Keep your 2 in front of you. It says there is blank cloud in each group. So look at your paper. How many clouds are in each group? If you completed that group, how many clouds are in each group? So each groups are the circles, right? Each circle is considered its own group. So you already have one cloud, right? And how did you say we completed that cloud, Tyra? I added one more. So there is blank cloud in each group. How many clouds are in each of these groups? One. That is what you write on your, there's one cloud in each group. So how do I come up with my number sentence? Okay, Maya?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Does everybody agree with that? Raise your hand if you agree. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Beautiful. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Try doing B by yourself. Use your tiles. Look at the first group. It gives you the first group. Try and complete it to make it a double. What are you going to do in the second circle to make it a double? Great job. Okay, what are you going to do in this circle to make that a double, to make it match? Put it down. What are you going to do to this circle right here to make it a double? Good job, Demajre. Good job, Raina. Huh? Okay, so what did you do to the second circle? You had one circle with how many clouds? So what did you do to this circle? Tyra, you added 2 more. Why 2? Because, Tyra? Okay, it does, but why didn't you choose, 3? Deshaun? Because it's not equal. You're making a double. They need to be equal. Very good. So there are how many clouds in each group?
2.
2. Perfect. So your number sentence is, Brianna, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Very nice. All right. I want you to try with your partner. Do C, D, and E. I'm going to come around and watch. And then we'll move on to the back, which is a little bit more difficult. So do C, D, and E with your partner. Tyra? Oh, I'm sorry. I see that. Sorry, I took my pen. Let me get you one. Work with your partner. Here's your pencil. All right, work with your partner to finish C, D, and E.
I'm done.
Great job. Your clouds don't have to be perfect. You can just draw circles. Great job. Majra, you finished. And Jordan's done. Good job, Deshaun. So we get this, right? You know what the doubles are?
Yeah.
All right, so somebody tell me, for C, there are how many in each cloud, or how many, there are blank clouds in each group? Raina.
There are 3.
There are 3 clouds. Does everybody have 3? Raise your hand if everybody has 3 for C. Perfect. Deshaun, what is your number sentence? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Does everybody have that? Perfect. Yes, you do. It's right there. All right. D. There are blank clouds in each group. Demajre?
4.
There are 4 clouds in each group. So Jordan, what is your number sentence for D? Yep. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Is that what everybody has?
Yes.
Perfect. And E. There are how many clouds in each group? Deshaun? 5. So our number sentence is, Kamaya? For E. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very nice. All right, flip your paper over. Or turn the page. I guess it's right on the same page for those of you that have your book. Okay, now it says draw an array to match each set. For A, it gives you the answer, or it gives you the array already. It says 2 rows of 6. So it has 2 rows of 6 circles, correct? Good one. Back. All right. So 2 rows of 6 equals.
12.
Is everybody believing that? Does 2 rows of 6 equal 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Put that on your line. How did we get that? What was the number sentence? Demajre.
6 plus 6 12.
Right. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now I have a question because 10 plus 2 equals 12. Why didn't we use that number sentence? It's right? 10 plus 2, does that equal 12? Yeah, why didn't I use that number sentence, Tyra?
Because they don't equal.
Because they're not equal. That's not what our array says. And it's not a double. I will get you up. Why did we not do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12?
Excuse the interruption. Please put out your blue bins for recycling.
Demajre, can you please do that? She's the closest. Why did we not do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12? Kamaya.
Because it's only 2 lines.
Right, well, there's only 2 lines and why else? What does double mean?
Oh, there's only 2
2.
numbers.
Yes, we only want 2 numbers. Okay, so remember that when it's asking for the double. Right, so the next line is 6 doubled is, when you double 6, you get what?
12.
12, thank you. So look at B. It didn't draw the array for you. You need to draw the array. 2 rows of 7. Huh? 2 rows of 7. Use your tiles if you have to and create 2 rows of 7. 2 rows, go horizontally or vertically. This way is horizontally. This way is vertically. Which way do rows go? Like this. So you're going to have 2 rows, so 2 lines going like this of how many? How many are in each row?
7.
7.
What?
You don't have to choose X's, but is this what your array looks like?
No.
2 rows of 7. This is what your array should look like. 2 rows of 7. So, 2 rows of 7 equals what? Jordan?
14.
14. Perfect. So, what plus what equals what in that array? What plus what equals what? Deshaun?
7 plus 7.
7 plus 7 equals?
14.
14. Who broke their pencil?
Oh.
Who broke their pencil?
Miss 8.
Yes.
We forgot to do the adding club.
No, we did that. We did 6 plus 6 equals 12. Oh, and then 6 doubled is 12. We did that. All right, so 7 doubled, where we know that 7 plus 7 equals what? 7 plus 7 is?
14.
14. Perfect. So then the next line, 7 doubled is? 7 doubled is, we know 7 plus 7 is 14, then 7 doubled is 14. So do you see that after we draw our array, it gives us 3 different ways of finding the answer? Is the answer always the same?
No.
In that case it is. It's always 14, right?
Yes.
Right. So what do you think this is getting you ready for? Doubling.
Ooh, third grade.
Third grade, what do you learn in third grade? What do you start learning?
Ooh.
You already know addition, you already know subtraction.
Ooh.
Well, not just doubling, but
Times.
times, multiplication.
And divide.
Yeah, that's true. Dividing is the opposite of multiplication. All right, let's go down and look at number 3.
Yay.
Yes.
No, Miss, the doubles is times because 7 times 7 equals 14.
Not 7 times 7.
Oh, yeah.
How many 7s? Excuse me, sit down, please. How many 7s do you have?
2.
2. So 7 times 2 equals 14. But you're getting way ahead of us.
I can.
7 times 7. 7 times 2 equals 14.
I already know 12 times 12. It's not important.
Yes. 7 doubled is 14.
No.
All right. Now, down on number 3. It says list the totals from problem 1. So turn the paper over and look at all your answers. What were our answers?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And on the back, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let me write those on the board so you can see them. So somebody tell me the answers from problem 1, 2, 4,
6, 8, 10.
okay, and on the back we have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Wow, look at those numbers.
We didn't get that far.
Look at those numbers. Go with that, Emily. What do I see with these numbers? What do we have in common here? We talked about this at the beginning. Look at these numbers. We doubled a bunch of numbers to get these answers. Tyra,
They're double.
they're doubled. What's the word for them?
Even.
They are all
Even.
even. No odd numbers because we doubled, right? When you double them, you get an even number. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about how we double numbers?
No.
Does anyone have any questions about how we always get an even number?
No.
No. Are we ever going to get an odd number?
No.
Not when you double. Never when you double. Okay? All right. Put that away. I'm going to pass out your exit tickets. It's one problem. You need to sit down, please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sit down, please. You don't need to go back to your desk. All right. All right. I want you to be doing this quietly at your seat. Careful, guys, when you walk past somebody. Thank you. That was an accident. All right. Work on this by yourself. It is 2 problems, and I'm going to walk around and make sure you guys understand what you're doing. You guys were great. Good job, Brianna.
I did 16 last.
Accident. That's fine. Not a big deal. Yes.
What's the date?
Today is the 14th.
No, today the 13th. 14.
All right, let's work on the actual problem and not worry so much about the date. Work on the problem.
Just today's your birthday.
Emily, please work on the problem. Good job, Kamaya.
It's his birthday.
You're doing a great job, Tyra.
It's party.
Good job. Your numbers are back. Okay, draw your array, Emily. Draw your array, Emily. You need to make sure you draw an array. Perfect. Good job. All right. Can you clean your tiles up? Grab the tile bucket. Demadre, you're doing an excellent job. 2 rows of 5.
Where's the tile bucket?
Is that 2 rows of 5? It's on the shelf. Sorry. Yes. Let me see. Good. Go on to the letter B. Great job. Thank you. 2 rows of 3. Put your tiles away, and then Demadre, can you bring it to Demadre when you're done? She can put her on the way.
This is 10?
Okay, you have 2 rows of 5, right? So you have how many? What is this? You have what plus what equals what? Right? Plus equals. Do you have 10 circles here? Perfect. Okay, you need 2 rows of 5, right? Which is what you have here. Okay, so 2 rows of 5 equals, count these up. How many do you have? Nope, count them again. 10. So then these have to be the same number, right? Because you're doubling. Excellent, Raina. Okay, bring that over to Demadre so she can put her own away. Demadre, when you're done, Raina can put hers away. Deshaun can finish his work first. All right, when you're finished, you may please put that away.